Hi devs, welcome to Coding in Short. Hope you're doing well. Last time we set up a connection to the MongoDB Atlas server, and today we are gonna do some CRUD APIs. So let's get started. In CRUD, C stands for create. So we will create a function named create. In that function, we will initialize the Mongo schema which we import from our user model, and we will set up the username as Rahul123. Then we'll set up the email as email@123 and password as password123. Now we will make this function asynchronous. When the function is asynchronous, the JavaScript waits for the function to complete and then proceeds further. That is what asynchronous functions are. We'll also create a constant named user data which will await and get the data from user.save function. The user.save function, the save function is from Mongoose and it is a wrapper over the MongoDB's save function. Now if we get a proper user data, then we will send the response to the user saying in the JSON format saying message as user saved, and also we will return the user data with it. Then we will create the route app.post, as this will be a post API call, and in that API call I will call create and we will send the request and response as parameters, and this will return us a callback function in which we will call the create function. We will also app.express in the express.json middleware for this, as we are going to send and receive data in the JSON format. This is a built-in functionality that we get with Express middleware. Now we'll copy it, cut it and paste it above as we are going to use it before. Then we will pass request and responses parameters to the create function. We are also going to use nodemon from here after. So let us write npm I nodemon or nodemon. Let me explain what nodemon is. Nodemon automatic reload. Basically, we don't have to stop and start a server as we keep making changes in it. Nodemon will take care of it. Also, we are going to use Postman, the collaboration API call platform for development. It is a great platform for sending requests to any server. I would highly recommend you to install it. As Node.js nodemon is installed, we will make changes in our package.json file. So open it and change the node we have written before to nodemon. This will call nodemon on npm start to watch our server.js file. Let's start the file npm start. Okay, we are running. Now let us make the API calls. Open the Postman application and create a localhost 5000/create API call at post, and we have got the desired response. Now let us check if MongoDB has actually stored the data. We'll go sign in into the MongoDB and log in. In the collections, we'll wait for the collections to load and then we will check for our users. And we have got our data document in it. Now we have to create retrieval. So we will say find all and create a post API for finding all the documents. We will rename a new function. We'll call a new function get all, and also we'll create a new function named get all, and let's copy it and use it. So for this we'll create a constant named all users and we will use user.find function, which is also provided by Mongoose. We will keep the inner object as empty as we don't want any filters to go in it. We just want all data to be retrieved. You can also keep any filters if you want. Then we will make it asynchronous and call await on it. This will make the all users and the JavaScript wait till the all users get appropriate data. Then we will check if all users have data, and then we will send response.json formatted data back to the user, and we will send all users in it. I think we have got something wrong. Oh, we haven't renamed it. We will rename it as get all. That should do the task, and we are running again. So let us change from create to find all and make a new post request. There we go. We have got all users object back with the user data in it. Next, we'll make an update async call. This will be an API request named update, and we will change the function to update user. Then we will create a function named update user by copying the same and changing the user.find to user.update. We'll rename the function as user_update and change the function user.find to update, and we will write the first object as the filter to find which object to change. So we will use the username object in it and copy the username and paste it, and also the data we sent it before, which will be Rahul123. We'll copy and paste it here as a string. We will make a set option data, and we will send our password as we are going to update our password in this. Now the current password is password123, and we are going to rename it to password1234. Now we will run it and see if the function works. We'll copy the update, change the API and call it. Voila, we have got it. And now let us see if it is actually updated by clicking on refresh. Wait for the collections to load, and here we go. Password1234. We have successfully updated our cloud MongoDB document. Now let us use delete and delete API to delete the document. We'll do this by calling delete user function, and in that function we'll copy the same and use it with rename the function and use it with delete functionality. We will remove the password part as we just need one filter for now, and this should run properly. This will delete the current document in the database. Let us try making the API call. Let's copy and paste it here and make a post request. Sending the request, we'll refresh and see if the data is deleted. And yes, the data is deleted. So congratulations people, we have made CRUD APIs in less than 8 minutes. That is pretty cool. So if you have any queries, please do ask them in the comment section. Also, if you have any suggestions for me, please do tell. I'm always there for the community. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials like this. Thank you and have a great day.